The one is ever seeking to manifest itself through you. Glorious power forever breathing through you and me. Join me. The one is ever seeking to manifest itself through you. Glorious power forever breathing through you and me. The one.
Right now, we are unfolding into this moment. We are open to curiosity, to wonder, to life, of living the question, being patient, transforming ourselves, going deep within to our inner self. So we celebrate this moment, we celebrate this day. It is a celebration of life, of this moment that we can share together, that the presence of God is within us at every moment, and we are supported, and it is always, always available to us. So always keep that sense of curiosity, that sense of wonder and awe as we come together and celebrate this service, the music, the words spoken through Reverend Laura, through Spirit. For we are one, yet individuals connected like this tapestry of love. As we have this conversation with life, knowing that the answers are always deep within. So right now, just take a breath in and breathe out and relax into this moment, being open, being loving, and always in awe and curiosity. And so it is.
The one is ever seeking to manifest itself through you. Glorious power forever breathe